Today, everybody's least favorite season is upon us.
Hear ye, hear ye!
As the winter ends, we think spring is on the way. But how mistaken we are to feel good upon this day. 'Cause while the weather's getting warmer and the birds do sing, the longest season of all is waiting in the wings. Oh, construction season. Roads that seem okay disappear overnight, turned into work zones that put us in a plight of trying to keep our sanity while stuck in traffic lanes, of endless car pileups while we all go insane. Oh, 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 construction season. In TC, we've got about 9 projects coming soon. 6 are sort of minor, but 3 will spell certain doom. South Garfield from Center to Hannah's one that's rather large. East State from Hope to South Garfield will get a supercharge. And finally there's Hastings from Boone to East 8th Street. But I will find alternate routes, won't succumb to defeat. And at the end of all this work, when roads are clear again, I'll laugh as I conquer them all and proudly shout amen! Construction season! I have feelings about this. Thanks, guys. I had to get that off my chest.